Introducing our box dumper, designed specifically for plastic recycling plants to improve material handling efficiency and reduce labor costs. This machine is equipped with a powerful hydraulic lifting and tipping system, providing smooth, stable, and reliable operation during the loading process. To improve mobility inside the workshop, forklift pockets are integrated into the machine frame, allowing the unit to be quickly moved and positioned wherever needed. Another practical feature is the adjustable retaining bar. Operators can manually adjust the height according to different material box sizes, ensuring safe and stable dumping during operation. The box dumper features an independent electrical control cabinet, allowing operators to easily control lifting, lowering, and tipping functions with simple operation. For different production requirements, the machine supports both automatic tipping and manual tipping modes, offering maximum flexibility for various recycling applications. Widely used in PET bottle recycling lines, HDPE bottle washing lines, rigid plastic recycling systems, and plastic shredding plants. This box dumper provides a convenient and efficient feeding solution for modern recycling facilities. Thank you for watching.